Hi guys, Dave Dare RC Hobby Reviews. We're going to be looking at the S138 brushless motor drone that I bought from Temu. This was under $60. Comes with 3 batteries and it has a dual camera. Alright, let's get it in there and see what it can do. Thanks for watching, guys. Look how smooth. I really like this drone. It's a nice drone. I like them all, but this one especially. It's got little rubber feet there. That's a big deal for me. I like rubber feet. You stick that landing. Don't slide. You know what I mean? Simple feature. All drone manufacturers, please put rubber feet on your drone. Thank you. Alright, here we go. Let's see what it can do. Wow. Silky smooth. That thing is zippy. Hey, that wind can't hold it from going anywhere. It does move it around though. I don't have the GPS holding it in place. Alright, let's get some video. Wind's blowing you around a little bit. To be expected with a 150 gram drone. Okay, let's shut the video down. We'll get a couple snapshots. Alright. Alright, let's bring her down a little closer. Get a bit too windy. You can see the trees there. To be up too high. Alright, let's try some 360 flips down here. How about that? Doesn't do backwards flips. Sideways and forwards. Very cool. It's got a nice fast spin here. I like the fast spin. Maneuver and get out of trouble if you need to. It's a good looking little drone, isn't it? Couple more flips and we'll land it. Alright, let's bring her in so the wind carries it away. There we go. The S138, guys. Check them out. Let's get you one. It's a good place to start. Have a great day.